video series is perfect for you if you answer yes to any of those questions. Our professional staff and student staff will be guiding you through the different steps of the process throughout this video series, from choosing a program to preparing for your program, all the way through to when you return from your program. We're so excited that you're interested in studying abroad or possibly studying abroad, and we're here to help you every step of the way.
Check out our next video, A Guide to Choosing the Best Program for You, to learn about the different study abroad options we offer at UC San Diego.